very slow count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and Charleston. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. Now shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Back shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Now, just to let you know, when I shimmy, my elbows are shimmying. Anything else that goes along, I have no control over. So if you think about elbows or shoulders as opposed to other parts of your body, might be easier to do. And it's 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now is when we're going to do the hip bumps, which are right, left, okay? With my hip bumps, I actually use my heels, heel down right, heel down left, heel down right, heel down left, and the hip just goes along for the ride. Now, here's where we're going to separate. People are doing different moves. Some of them are doing a turn, others of us are just going to do the rocking chair, which is forward, recover, back, recover. And as soon as we finish that, we're going to start this dance all over again. So toe, heel, right chop, chop. Toe, heel, left chop, chop. Step right, touch left, step left, touch back. Right, touch left, step left, touch back. Bind to the right, bind left, turn, touch. Now elbow, shimmy, shimmy, clap. Shimmy, 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 clap, bump, right, left, and rocking chair or 2 half pivots. Toe, heel, chop, chop, chop. Toe, heel, chop, chop, chop. Step right, touch back, step right, touch back, bind right, 2, 3, 4, and left, turn, touch. Now shimmy, shimmy, elbows, and shimmy, shimmy, back. Hips, right, left, rocking chair or 2 half pivots. Toe, heel, chop, chop, chop. Toe, heel, chop, chop, chop. Charleston, step, kick, step right, touch left, step left, touch back, bind right, 2, 3, 4, left, behind, turn left, touch right, and elbows, touch, clap, and elbows, touch, clap. Now, right, left, rock forward, recover, back, recover.